Look after. Take care of. He looks after his younger siblings. Look ahead. Plan for the future. We need to look ahead and plan for the future. Look at. Direct your gaze towards something. Please look at the picture on the wall. Look back. Reflect on the past. She looked back on her childhood fondly. Look down on. View someone as inferior. He tends to look down on people who disagree with him. Look for. Search for something. I am looking for my glasses. Have you seen them? Look forward to. Anticipate with excitement. We look forward to meeting you next week. Look in. Make a brief visit. I will look in on Grandma while I am in town. Look into. Investigate or examine. The detective is looking into the case. Look on. Watch something as a spectator. He just looked on while others worked. Look out. Be cautious or alert. Look out. There is a car coming. Look out for. Watch for something or someone. Please look out for any updates on the news. Look over. Examine or review briefly. He looked over the report quickly. Look through. Examine closely or search inside. He looked through the files for the document. Look to. Rely on or consider for guidance. You can look to your mentor for advice. Look up. Search for information or improve. I will look up the word in the dictionary. Look up to. Admire or respect someone. He really looks up to his older brother. Look upon. Consider or regard something. She looks upon him as a true friend. Look away. Turn your gaze elsewhere. He looked away when he felt embarrassed. Look around for. To go through a place in order to see what is there. He is looking around for new car. Look out onto. Have a view of something. The apartment looks out onto a beautiful garden. Look in on. Make a short visit or call. I plan to look in on some old friends when I am in town. Look about. Search or explore in a general way. She looked about the keys but didn't see in bag. Look out for yourself. Prioritize your own needs or safety. You need to look out for yourself in this situation. Look over someone's shoulder. Monitor or supervise closely. She is always looking over my shoulder when I am working. Look up something. Search for specific information. I will look up the details and let you know. Look someone up. Visit or contact someone. Let's look someone up while we are in the area. Look someone over. Examine a person briefly. The doctor looked him over and gave a clean bill of health. Look at something again. Re-evaluate or reconsider. We need to look at the proposal again. Look aside. Turn attention away from something. He looked aside, avoiding the conversation. Look into something deeper. Investigate further. We will need to look into this issue further. Look off. Turn your gaze away. She looked off into the distance, lost in thought. Look over to. Direct attention to another person or place. She looked over to her friend for confirmation. Look across. Direct your gaze towards something on the other side. I looked across the river at my home. Look beyond. Consider something broader or more distant. To solve this problem, we must look beyond traditional methods and try something innovative. Look underneath. Examine below a surface. She looked underneath the bed for her shoes. Look out for trouble. Be vigilant for problems. You should look out for potential scams online. Look down over. Have a downward view over something. The bird looked down over its nest from the tree. Look up words. Search for word meanings or definitions. You should look up words you don't know. Look over documents. Review papers or files. She looked over the contract before signing it. Look around suspiciously. Survey your surroundings with suspicion. He looked around suspiciously before entering the room. Look through the lens. Examine through a perspective or device. I looked through the lens to capture the perfect shot. Look after someone's needs. Attend to someone's requirements. He looks after his parents' needs. Look to improve. Aim for betterment. He is looking to improve his skills at work. Look up your address. Search for your location or information. I will look up your address on the map. Look back on memories. Reflect nostalgically on the past. She looked back on her achievements with pride. Look to the future. Focus on upcoming possibilities. We need to look to the future and move forward. Look away in shame. Avoid eye contact out of embarrassment. He looked away in shame after the mistake. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.